Do not reach for that gun!
Don't reach for it!
Sir, get your hand off the gun. Just get your hand
Keep
off.
your hand off the gun!
Keep going! No, I cannot see. I cannot see.
One hidden hand is the reason for all the tension you just saw on North 16th Street in Sacramento. These officers are on high alert because of a warning they received just minutes ago. To understand how this situation started, we have to listen to the 911 calls.
911, what's the location of your emergency?
North 16th Street.
Okay, is there a cross on North 16th or an address?
Our address is 16th Street.
Okay, do you need police, fire, or medical assistance?
It's a homeless man carrying a gun, exposed gun.
Okay, where, and he's on North 16th?
He is on North 16th Street. He's on foot. Right by Capitol Casino. Did he turn in? He was just standing there looking back. My husband was following him.
So he's in front of basically Capitol Casino, the last.
He's in front of Capitol Casino?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
He's got like a brown corduroy jacket.
He has a brown corduroy jacket on.
Okay, what race is he?
He's black.
Approximate age?
How old? About 40.
Okay, about how tall?
How tall?
5'11", 6 foot.
6 foot, 5'11".
Thin, medium, heavy build?
Thin, medium.
Heavy.
Chunky.
Okay.
Fire truck's going by right now, but we're not going to see him. A fire truck honked at him as he was in the road.
Okay, and then what color clothing you said he's wearing?
A brown corduroy jacket. Color pants. Blue jeans, light color. White shirt with a little bit of blue on it. Does he look dirty? He doesn't look dirty. Is he homeless, you think? No. Doesn't know if he's homeless or not.
Okay. And so what was he doing with the gun?
It's a black pistol. It has, what was he doing with it? He was brandishing it. He was holding it out in the air until the fire truck went by.
Did he point it at you guys or your husband when?
Did he point it at you?
No, it's pointing at the guy that's in front of him.
He was pointing it at the guy in front of him on foot?
No, he was in the middle of the street.
Oh, he was in the middle of the street on foot, stopping traffic, and he was holding it at the guy in the car in front of him. And then when the fire truck honked, he put it away.
Armed with the descriptions from those 911 calls, officers arrived at the 200 block of North 16th Street. They quickly spotted a man matching the suspect's profile. This is the moment where a radio report becomes a face-to-face reality.
Hey, bud, take your hand out of your pocket, please. Hand out of your pocket now. Take your hand out of your pocket. 32, he's not compliant. Take your hand out of your pocket right now. Get your hand out of your pocket. Get on the sidewalk. 32, I'm going to have one at gunpoint. He's not compliant. He's got his hand kind of in his pocket. I'm not sure if it's a mental health thing. He did talk to a couple of workers over here who said they did not see him walking with a gun. Get your hand up out of your pocket. Sidewalk. Go on the sidewalk. Please just go on the sidewalk. We don't want to do any of that. Relax. I don't want to do that. Please, do not. Do not.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Back up,
Back up. Stop.
Come back around this way. Do not. Stop. Do not. He's got it. That's a gun. Do not reach for that gun. Do not reach for that gun. Come back over this way. Leave back top. Do not reach for that gun. Do not. Put your hands in the air. Come back around. Get cover over here. Get cover. Do not. Do not.
Don't reach for it.
The gun is sticking out. He's got his hand rested on
reach
it.
for it.
Do not reach for that gun.
We can help.
Please. Do not. Just do not.
We can
Keep
help
moving. Keep
you.
moving. Keep moving.
We can help
Keep moving.
you.
We're good. Hey,
We
just
can
put your hands in the air. We will help you.
Hands up.
Put your hands in the air.
Put your hands
Okay.
up.
Stop and turn around. Turn and face away from me. Just turn and face
Around.
away. Turn and face away.
Non-compliant. We can help you.
Okay? Do
Let
not
us
reach for
help
that gun.
you.
We gotta back up more distance. We would like to help you. Do not reach for that gun. Do not reach for that gun.
For it.
Do not reach for that gun. Do not.
No.
Do not. Do not reach for that gun. We're gonna go back around. We're gonna come. Do not reach for that gun.
Sir, just put your hands up. Put your hands up.
Hand off the gun.
We know we got backed up problem. Come up here behind that.
Sir, we can work through this. Don't worry about it. We can work through it.
Help you. Come on, let us help you.
Keep going. Keep going.
Let
Follow the way
us
to the
help
tree.
you.
Follow the way to the tree. Do not reach for that gun.
Don't reach for it.
Sir, get your hand off the gun. Just get your hand off it.
Go,
hand
keep going.
off the
Keep going.
gun.
Keep going. No, I cannot see. I cannot see. I cannot see. He's got the gun. Get back. Get back.
Get
Get back. Shots fired. Shots fired.
Shots fired. Shots
Let's go.
fired.
Let's go.
Oh, I got it. I got it. Oh.
Yep.
Oh my God.
You guys got it?
Yep. Yep.
I'm completely jammed.
Notice everyone fights for dinner.
We're calling on that
Working on it here. Gloves.
Yep. We got a head wound. We got a head wound. We got a back wound.
Turn him up. Turn him up.
Glove.
Turn him up.
Glove. We breathing?
Hey.
Got no pulse. I can't wait. Hey,
You got a pulse?
He's breathing.
he's breathing. We're breathing. All right.
Where's the other wounds at? Somebody check his.
We got something in the back.
We got his.
Yeah.
Hey, just take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Come on. Come on, breathe.
Where's his injuries one?
I don't know. We got some down
We
here.
got a
one,
head wound. You stopped the bleeding.
Hey, hey.
I need gauze.
After the scene was secured, investigators confirmed that the weapon was an imitation firearm, a replica designed to look exactly like the real thing. The suspect survived his injuries and is now facing several charges, including brandishing a replica weapon and resisting arrest. But looking beyond the footage, this case is a grim example of a mental health crisis turned into a forced confrontation. At a distance of 15 feet, the human eye cannot tell the difference between plastic and steel in a fraction of a second. The officers followed their training to the letter. They retreated, they offered support, and they pleaded for peace. This incident proves that in the heat of the moment, law enforcement must react to the threat perceived, not the object's hidden reality. It raises a tough question. When someone is determined to force a fatal response, what more can be done to prevent the tragedy? Could there have been a different outcome on North 16th Street? Let us know what you think in the comments. If you value this kind of deep dive into the thin blue line, make sure to subscribe to Blue Line Raw. We will see you in the next one.